Hello. Happy holidays.
Come on in.
We're so excited to have you guys here. We have decorated our whole house for the holidays and we're just loving how everything came together. But first, we wanted to show you this little tree behind my shoulder here. So every year, I like to decorate my main trees a certain way, and the kids like to be involved. So I thought the best of both worlds would be to give them their own tree to decorate, go buck wild. They're so funny. Like, they picked out all their little things. My personal favorite though is Watson went to the kitchen drawer and got a paper plate. He colored it and put a little hook on it. And he was so proud of his little ornament.
Made his own.
How cute is that?
But as you can tell, they only can focus on it for so long. So there's like 8 ornaments,
There's
and
like
then
8.
they moved on.
But I thought it was so fun to have that right in the entryway. And it's the first thing that you see when you walk in.
Yep.
We are so excited to show you the rest of the house and all of our decorations. But first, our family loves hot cocoa, so I thought we should grab a little cup.
Do we have marshmallows?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
So whenever it's Christmas around here, there's always snow. It's always freezing cold outside, and we love to spend time outside as a family. So hot chocolate is a necessity in this house, and we have 6 people in our family. So we do a crock pot version because we just can't have enough.
Oh yeah.
So I found this recipe, and it's just so easy to throw together in the beginning of the day, go outside and play, and then by the time we come back in, it's hot, it's ready to roll, and it is so good. So it's sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream, regular milk, vanilla, and chocolate chips. You just put it in there, you let it go, and it is so dang good. Should we have a little glass?
Of course.
Okay.
Ooh.
She's hot and ready.
She ready.
She ready. So with my kitchen decor, I like to keep it fairly simple. In my kitchen, I always have the same vases, and I just like to keep it simple, and I change the greenery throughout. Pop these little greens in here, add a little bell, and happy holidays. We added a little wreath this year. I love how simple it is with the pine cones. I love to keep my counters fairly clean and nothing too crowded. And then of course you need a little cookie display. These never last long because the kids get in there. So I didn't bake these, I'll be honest, but they look gorge.
I did this morning.
Whatever. I love to have cookies out, a nice little charcuterie board, just so easy to snack and eat on kind of all day. And great if you have like family or friends over. How's that hot chocolate coming along?
It looks hot.
It does look hot.
Because it's hot chocolate.
You're hilarious.
I know.
Should we get some toppings up in here?
Oh, of course. Yeah, let me get them.
So of course you need marshmallows, you got more chocolate chips, some cookies, some pretzels.
What do you like to put in yours?
I'm like a simple classic hot chocolate girl. I feel like you're gonna be like a weird combination.
Well, of course we need marshmallows.
Chocolate chips, a little, Oh, you're fancy. The kids are gonna be mad that we did this without them.
Oh, I know.
But that's what I like about doing the crock-pot hot chocolate is that it just lasts all day, turn it on warm, it's ready to go whenever.
And then once it's done, if you don't finish it, you can just heat it right back up.
All right, should we cheers?
My favorite part of Christmas is I always have the best gift right here.
Oh my. Oh my God, that's good.
Yum.
That's actually so good.
It is. And then, you know, once this stick gets soggy, it's really good. I'm not gonna lie.
It's so bomb. All right, should we see the rest of our house?
Yum.
All right, so this is our dining room. Again, we kept it fairly simple. I do like a more minimal look on Christmas decor, but obviously you need a major centerpiece. If we're being honest, we don't usually eat at our dining table. Usually it's chaos and we're running around. But I will say, when is the one time a year we actually sit down as a family and eat dinner?
This is the time the table shines because over the holidays, we will sit there and eat one time a year.
So we have a lot of family. So we're usually bopping around to Cole's parents, my parents, and it gets a little chaotic. But we decided as a family that Christmas Eve is gonna be our evening, that we just stay home with our family of 6. We make soup. It just really is a time for us to connect.
I mean, we get our Christmas jammies on, we get ready for Santa.
Make cookies.
Yeah, all the things.
Right. But I'm excited to head into the living room because that is my favorite room for Christmas decor. Even when we were building our house, I thought about the living room and how we're gonna decorate for Christmas.
Honestly, that's valid. She asked, where's the tree gonna go?
Where is the tree gonna go? We need a fireplace to hang our stockings. Like, it's just very important.
And where's Santa gonna come down?
Duh.
Of course.
So, decorating in the living room, I just wanted it to feel cozy. I want to give off like a rustic kind of cabin vibe. I envision Christmas as being like in a log cabin with snow and you're all cozied up by the fire, and so I wanted to give that feel. So a lot of like natural greens throughout. I love my Charlie Brown trees. They're not your full trees that you see all over Instagram. I love that they're like very sparse and bare, and I just love them. I feel like they have so much character.
I love that they're fake as well. Because
Cole loves a fake tree.
I like fake trees. Real trees are way too messy. Anyway, these trees this year, she wanted to have these globes, what do you call them?
A sphere.
These sphere planters.
Sphere, he says.
As the base, but that doesn't really work with your Christmas trees. They all come with like, you know, your big cross brace where you put your tree inside. They didn't fit inside there, so you know what I did? I went into my hoard bin of all my hoarding utensils. I found my old mailbox post, and I cut it up, and I made a frame of 2x4s, and then I had my kids spray foam the inside, and boom, Christmas tree planter.
Let's see.
I'm a genius.
All right. I have always wanted to have these sphere bases on my Christmas tree. I never like the other bases we put on. So I was so excited that you made that happen for me. High five to you, making my dreams come true.
Always.
So with these kind of sparse trees, I do also like to keep it minimal, like not a ton of ribbons, different textures. I like to mix match all the ornaments. The inspiration for our color palette this year was just natural tones, lots of natural greens, browns, just like really bring the outdoors in and kind of feel like foresty vibes.
So I say another thing I love about these trees is they come pre-lit. I don't have to wrap any lights around here. All I gotta do is plug it in.
All right, so our stockings. I personally love to do mixed matched stockings. We love doing, you know, your classic traditions, but kind of doing our own little modern twist on it, mix matching them, tons of different textures with their little antler stocking holder, of course. So I love kind of grouping all of the stockings on one side and then balancing it out with our garland, because I love just bringing the garland up and around, almost like a wave up and down, and then doing something super drapey on one side. We have our bells. Bells are a major theme in our Christmas decor this year. I just love the rustic bells. I think they're so cute and they're just such a fun decoration to add other than just regular ornaments, so.
I mean, this means either Santa's here or one of the cows came inside.
All right, one thing that we always have in our house is these giant antlers. And so we felt like, of course, we need to add a little something something to those. And it was a perfect opportunity to add more ornaments, kind of dress them up a little bit.
I will say no animals were harmed in the process of hanging these antlers on the wall because they are sheds that were found.
These are the real Rudolph's antlers that he shed.
He shed. I even got his nose somewhere, but I forgot where I put it.
Cole popped up here, was hanging all the ornaments, and I thought they tied in so nicely with the ornaments on our Christmas tree, and it kind of balanced it out, so it was a win-win situation.
I will say, every holiday season, when I wake up and I know she's ready to start decorating, I have to really stretch my body out, get my back ready, because I know I'm gonna be lugging all sorts of stuff.
Yes.
I'm gonna be climbing everything. I'm gonna be hanging off stuff, and this body is getting old.
And I just kind of stand there with a glass of wine. But it works, I think.
It works. honestly, I love how all this came together. It looks wonderful. You did a great job.
Yeah, I'm super happy with how this whole space came together. I feel like I wanted it to feel very warm and cozy and welcoming, and I feel like we kind of captured that.
Absolutely.
So we cannot wait to celebrate the holidays here and just make more memories as a family.
I can't wait to get the presents under here, and it's time for Christmas.
Woo. All right, we showed you guys our entry, our kitchen, dining room, our living room, some of the traditions we do as a family. Do you have any other messages for them?
Yeah, I just think every year during the holidays, I'm so grateful for another year. I love being with my family, and I just wish you all the best this holiday season. So from us here at HGTV, happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Should we go have more hot chocolate?
Of course.
Let's go.